Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video about how there's different ways to save money on your lunch or dinner. So I'm going to show you how I pack my lunch for a whole week and how much that equates to per week or per day on money savings. So I'll be making some chicken wings and some rice for my lunch this week. Alright, so this section I'm showing on how we calculate the cost of the food. I got the rice at Walmart, as seen here. It cost me $7.34, and this so far has lasted 2 months because I got it 2 months ago, but I'm halfway. So I would say this is going to last me 4 months. So that's going to be 20 days times, because it's 4 weeks, 5 days a week. 5 times 4 is 20, so 80 days. So 734 divided by 80 days. So that the rice cost me 9 cents to round per meal. Alright, so let's go to the chicken wings, $23.69. Got that 3 months ago. So by next week I'm going to be out of chicken. So that's 20 days times 3. It's 60 weeks plus 1 more week it will last, so 61. What was it? 23.69 divided by 61 weeks. It's 39 cents. 39 cents plus 9 cents comes out to 48 cents a meal per day. Yes, it is kind of hard, but you can mix it up. It will last longer. It is perishable for the rice, and then you put the chicken in the freezer. It's going to last for a while. But again, this comes out to 48 cents a meal. And then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so this is the final product. You can see I have 5 containers. 2 of the containers actually had 3 chicken wings or drumsticks, because some of them can sometimes turn out being smaller. But again, this is how it turned out, lasting. Again, the rice I got 2 months ago. Again, I'm only halfway, so it's going to last probably another 2 months. And then for the chicken wings, again, I got 3 months ago, and it should be finished by next week. So that turns out 61 weeks. Again, this is pretty cheap, 48 cents overall for this per day. Again, compared to going out and eat, where it could cost you $5 to $10 depending on what you get. And I usually drink water with that. That also saves money. Again, this is one way to help save money, and this is one way I save money this way, and it's a pretty cheap meal and healthy. Again, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this was helpful, and thumbs it up if this is something you guys could implement.